Welcome back to the workshop. We're getting a couple of jobs out to get ready for America, but we thought we'd show you this one. It's a lovely three-piece glorious 12th suit. 3-roll 2, slanted flaps with an out ticket. A little bit of a difference on this one though. I've got a waistcoat, but rather unusually we've put notched lapels on as well. It's a country suit, give it a little bit of more of a relaxed look. So for a single-breasted suit, there's an awful lot of style details you can pick to really make it individual. You can have 3, you can have 1, you can have 2. The flaps on the side, you can have them straight without the ticket pocket, or really enjoy yourself and put that fella on. When it gets to a double-breasted coat, there are more rules, and Mr. Mahon will walk you through that downstairs in the workshop.
Did you understand what he's on about? I hope it made sense. So the alternative to a single-breasted suit is a double-breasted suit. And as William said, a single-breasted, you can have 1 button, 2 button, peak lapels, 3-roll to 2s, etc, etc. But when we take an order for a double-breasted suit, I really like it because we don't have to ask any questions. The reason why we don't ask any questions is we only do it one way, and you're looking at it. If you look through all of our social media, you'll see that we do a double-breasted like this all the time. This is a beautiful example. It's a Lesser's cloth. It might be Golden Bale, I can't remember, but it feels very nice. This is off to New York. Classic double-breasted. We always do these 4 buttons with the 2 show, with straight flaps, always, or like my suit, which I'm lucky to own, straight jets, which is very traditional. This one has classic side vents, okay, which is the majority. Most of them have side vents, but mine has no vents. But the layout, the style of the lapel, this is what we do. And so we should do it because I think it looks really nice. You may ask, why don't you do it another way? Because you can get the different buttoning positions and all the rest of it. Some people I've seen, and I've seen it down in the West End, they have a pretty nice looking coat and it's got slanted pockets on a DB, right? Slanted pockets on a DB, you just don't do it. And I know there'll be lots of comments saying, well, you can do it because I pay my money and I can have what I want. Well, you can have what you want, but not here. If you order a double-breasted, it should be straight pockets. No ticket pockets either. We don't put ticket pockets on double-breasteds. But you can have as many inside pockets as you want, which is nice. And what else can you have? Not much more than that. This is what you get, okay? So this is our standard vents, flaps, straight. More traditional, which I wear, is no vents and straight jettings. I suppose the beauty of having the flaps on is you can tuck them in. But I just like the simplicity of it and the line. What more can I say? Not much really. Apart from this is an exquisite coat. I think we've got these lapels just right. I really do. I've probably upset a few people, but do I strike you as the sort of person who cares that much? No, I think you understand. Every now and then I do get my arm twisted and a glass of beer put in this one, and there's a certain guy watching this, and I know he'll be watching it and he'll go, I got you to do something you didn't want to do, Tom. So I'll even say your name, Jeff. You're the only one, and don't get excited about it because it's not what we do. Because my friend Jeff, a client, had a exception to the rule, had it fastening down on the hip. And the reason why he did it, he was really inspired by Michael Caine. And if you look, it's okay, we dropped some shears, don't panic about that. It's a workshop. Come on, quick, bring back here. He wanted that kind of Michael Caine thing where you just had the 2 buttons there and the 2 here. And it did work, it was kind of nice, but it's not really what we do. If you want to have a look through Redmayne 1860 on Instagram, you might even see a picture of that blazer. I think it was when I was there in the autumn, it's the spring now. And it looked nice as a blazer. Okay, it was a one-off, so don't get excited. But this is the way forward, okay? Any cloth you like, as long as it's cut like that. What more do you want? I've got my Redmayne pinny on. We're going to sell these soon. You'll all have to get one. Actually, you should wear a pinny like this when you watch any Redmayne videos. So listen, thanks for dropping in. I'm off to the US in a few days' time. If you're coming to see us, we can't wait to see you. Do like and share or whatever you're supposed to do on YouTube. Subscribe. The cameraman just whispered to me to subscribe. Please subscribe and tell your friends.